Hello friends, let's see why we use complement or uses of complement. So one important use of complement is it makes subtraction possible through addition procedure only. For example, if I have to subtract 37 from 78 in decimal number system, the result you know is directly it is plus 41. Now, without this subtraction, can we get the result? Yes, it is possible through complement method. So, one is by using tens complement. By using tens complement method. So, the procedure is first step, take tens complement, takes take tens complement of subtrahend the number which you want to subtract, which is 37 here. 10, take tens complement of subtrahend and add to the given number which is minuend. For example, 78 plus its tens complement will be 763. The result is 141. If carry is generated, ignore this carry. Ignore carry, and generation of carry tells number is positive. So result is plus 41, which is the same result 78 minus 37. So we can see by using tens complement we can perform subtraction by addition procedure. Ignore carry and the result is positive. Now there is another method. Instead of tens complement we can also use nines complement. So let's see that. So instead of tens complement, take nines complement of subtrahend and add to minuend. 78, its nines complement will be 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 3 6, and 8 plus 2 10, carry 1. So this time carry is generated, you have to add this carry to the result. So now the result will be 41. So 41 is the answer. So which method is better? Obviously tens complement method was much better because there we have to add only once. Here we have to add two times. So tens complement procedure is better than nines complement. Similarly in binary number system, two's complement method is efficient than one's complement method. Let us take another case where we have to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, like from 37, which is minuend, we have to subtract 78, that is subtrahend. So procedure is same, take tens complement of this if we are doing it by tens complement procedure. So take tens complement of 78, which is 22, and add to the minuend. So that will become 59. Here no carry is generated. If no carry, then the meaning is result is negative and is in tens complement form. So to actually locate the value, we need to take its tens complement and place a negative sign over it. So the tens complement of 59 will be 41 and answer is negative, so it is minus 41. Similarly, we can do in nines complement also. Add nines complement of subtrahend to minuend, that will be 37 plus 21, which is 858. No carry is generated, again result is negative and is in nines complement form. So to actually locate the value, take its nines complement, which will be 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 5 4. So result again will be same, minus 41. So if you like this, Please comment, like and share.